Hey everyone! If you've used my AI on Snapchat and now want to delete everything you've ever sent to it, you're in the right place. I know, sometimes we ask personal questions or simply don't want that data to be saved. In this video, I'll show you step by step how to delete all your data from conversations with my AI. Let's jump right into it, no time wasting. So, first of all, open your Snapchat app. Once you're in, the next step is to tap on your profile icon in the top left corner of the screen to access your profile page. When you're on your profile page, look in the top right corner and you'll see a gear icon, tap on it, and that will take you straight to the settings page. Once you're in settings, you'll see a bunch of options. Scroll down until you find the privacy controls section. When you're there, look for the option called Clear Data and tap on it. Now, among the listed options, find Delete My AI Data and tap it. A pop-up will immediately appear with a message informing you that the data from your previous conversations with my AI will be deleted from Snapchat's servers. However, keep in mind that this won't delete any saved messages or any instances where you mention my AI in other chats. You can remove those messages manually by pressing and holding the message, then selecting Delete. Once you're ready, just tap Confirm. And that's it. Your data is now deleted. After that, you can open the chat with my AI to check if the conversation history has really been cleared. You'll see that the previous chat is gone, unless you manually saved some messages. In that case, you'll need to delete them one by one. And that's it for this video. I hope it was helpful. If it was, don't forget to leave a like, share this video with your friends, and subscribe to my channel. It really means a lot to me. Thanks so much for watching, and I'll see you very soon.